Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of RJ's Food Rocks Basics. I feel like I'm doing easy listening radio. This is Food Rocks 95.5 FM. It's like 8:56 in the morning, and I just woke up and I went to the gym because I'm healthy now. And speaking of healthy, let's do a recipe that is not healthy at all. It's chicken salad. So I've shown you how to roast your own chicken and then make stock out of the bones. So now we are going to play around with the leftover meat from our roast chicken. So first things first, you're going to dice all up your chicken meat. I'm using the 2 chicken breasts here and some of the thigh meat, and as you can see, I'm like discarding any like bits and pieces and bones. That's what I end up using for my bone broth that you've already seen me make. So as soon as you have all of your parts and pieces cut up, and like for me, like the wings were more of a hassle to kind of shred for chicken salad than anything, so I just popped in the whole wing in my discard pile for my bone broth. And then I'm skinning this chicken leg and dicing this up to make my chicken salad. I love making chicken salad. It's a staple in my home. If I don't roast a chicken, I usually just buy a rotisserie chicken from a grocery store, and it works just as fine. And you can create chicken salad, for yourself. So here I'm using different types of onions because I love just like an oniony chicken salad. Here I'm using a sweet onion, like a medium sweet onion. I'm also using the whites of a green onion here for just like a little bit of complexity with the onion flavor. I also just like always have green onion in my fridge because it's a nice way to add onion flavor without crying your eyes out. And then I'm adding shallot. Shallot is my favorite onion by far. It's like nice and mild and goes great with poultry and pretty much anything. So I'm using half a shallot here because I had a pretty big shallot. Now we are getting to the good stuff. I am using celery stalk here. I'm using like 3. Is that 3? And I'm dicing these up. I'm also discarding the leaves and some of the fronds here, like the stems, and I'm using that again for a stock base. If you want to add veggies in your chicken stock, you can use those like onion peel and garlic cloves and celery discards for broth as well. But for the stem, I'm just dicing it, making sure everything is like equal size in my chicken salad. I'm using apple. There are people who use apples, there are people who use grapes. We are an apple family. We support apple farmers. So we're dicing up I believe this was a Honey Crisp, which is my favorite apple of all time. Yes, it is made from a lab in Michigan, but you know what? They cracked the code. I'm using I think this ended up being like a cup of mayonnaise, which, if you like yours a little bit goopier than mine, go ahead. I just like the right amount because I really like my chicken salad super chunky. I'm also adding about a tablespoon of Dijon Grey Poupon here. And then I'm seasoning to taste, salt and pepper. And feel free to just keep adding more if you feel like you're not getting enough salt and peppery taste. So, like I said, my salad is super chunky. That's just the way I prefer it. There are, I think, like traditional Southern chicken salads are more of like shredded chicken and more fine rather than mine. So, do whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm showing you my chicken salad. Finally, I'm adding dill, like dried dill. It's kind of like my favorite seasoning to add in chicken salad. It just gives a nice little kind of like punch. Like a little sour punch, just right at the end. And there you have it. You've got chicken salad. I'm using sandwich thins. I'm using pita pockets. I even have just like farmer's bread, like those like farmer's loaves, just a plain loaf. And you can eat this however you'd like. I really love it. Just having it in the fridge and having an easy lunch. Adam famously will eat a whole bowl just by itself. So in my house, you have to like eat it quick and eat it fresh. Otherwise, Adam will eat the whole bowl. But there you go. Oh my God, look at my old apartment with the twinkling lights. I was happy with my chicken salad, and I hope that you will be happy with mine as well. So hope you make this super easy, awesome chicken salad in your home too. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm doing these basics recipes, but do not fret because new episodes are coming very soon. I'm starting filming now for new episodes, and I can't wait to share those with you. But if you want fresh new content all the time, there is a Patreon. For $5 a month, you can help support and keep the lights on for RJ's Food Rocks. These are my lovely Patreon supporters. Thank you, my food rockers, and thank you for watching. Bye.